Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be fly fishing for some trout today in a small stream and possibly going to a few other spots. And I got maybe 3 other people, so I got to get some gas here. We've got about an hour drive, and see you guys on there. Alright guys, we have just arrived to the location, at least the first one, and yeah, there's a little bit of a storm coming in, but today I'm using I'm gonna try out with the dry fly first, see how much time we got. Hopefully I'll get 1, 2 here. Yeah, we have scattered showers today, so hopefully this blows out of here and we can get out here and get some fish. You know, I've been dying to go make a video. I haven't made a video in a while. My brother and my cousin are actually here right now. It took me about an hour to get here, so I arrived a little later, and up at my house it was just storming like way worse than down here, so hopefully the rain sticks out and stays down there away from us and we can hook up with something here. But let's get to the stream and throw some flies and hopefully hook up with something. Alright guys, we are at the creek and the thunder's rumbling in the background and the creek looks perfect. It is crystal clear, but I'm not seeing much. It's like super clear. I can see everything, but no fish. I'm gonna link up with Jake and Corey, and hopefully they're on some fish because they've been here for a little longer than I have. But let's get to our new spot, and hopefully there'll be fish there and we could catch some trout and a fly in August, which is always fun. Alright guys, what is up? We are back at a new stream. It's way colder, a little bigger. We're gonna see if there's any trout in it here soon.
Oh, dude, there's definitely one right there.
Where? Is it a smallie or a trout? Where? Where?
He was over here, but he swam like.
Oh, so that's a promising sight. Really, I snagged the one leaf in the area. Well guys, not really much going on. I think I'm gonna move down to the lower part of this and try down there. It's about our last chance there, and we can call it a day. Guys, we're just gonna end the day next to the river eating some pizza. And a rough day, not much going on, but next video should be good. Till then, see you guys in the next one.